Good morning, dear students. Let's start with Standard 7th Civics, Chapter 3, How the State Government Works. Children, last year we discussed the facts that government works at 3 levels. Okay, in 6th standard we have seen government works in 3 levels. So, that is local, state, national. Okay, first is local, then state, and then national level, and looked at the work of local government in some detail. In this chapter we examine the work of the government at the state level. So we will see in this chapter how state government works. How does this take place in a democracy? So how it takes place in democracy, we'll see that. What is the role of member of legislative assembly, that is MLA and ministers. So we will see the role of MLA, that is full form is member of legislative assembly, and ministers. We will see their role also. How do people express their view or demand action from government? So we will see how people they demand from government because they have elected them. So they keep their demand on them to be fulfilled. So we will see how they keep their demand. Okay. We look all this question through the example of healthcare. So here is one story. We will read that story, comic, and then we will see how the people are questioning the government. Let's come to the story now. Here see two girls are there, okay, in the library. They are reading the newspaper. Hey, look at this. It says that there is a water shortage in our state and people are falling sick. So both are reading the newspaper and they are discussing. One of the girl is saying that there is a water shortage in their place where they live, in their state, and people are falling sick, she is telling. Then in many villages, now the other girl is saying, in many villages people were found to be drinking unclean water. So then she is saying, they are reading from the newspaper and they are saying, that girl is saying that in many villages people are drinking unclean water, that is dirty water they are drinking. Streams have dried up and so have tanks. So water has dried up and they don't have water to drink. In the worst affected areas, villages have been carrying water across great distance, and there is shortage of water and people are traveling long distance to get the water. So next, here in the third you will see people at the district headquarters Patalpuram receive water supply once in 3 days. The district hospital here is overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. So they are reading from the newspaper and saying in this area of Patalpuram, so there is a shortage of water and only in 3 days they are getting, after 3 days they are getting water supply. And even the district hospital, okay, the local hospital is overflowing with patients, means there are a lot of patients there and mostly the children are the patients and they are suffering from acute diarrhea, means they are suffering from diarrhea. Now we will go to next page. That is here on the TV news they said 10 people have died from diarrhea. Is that possible? Can one really die from it? Who knows? Just hope I don't get it. So they are saying that they have seen in the TV news that 10 people have died of diarrhea. So is it possible? That girl is asking. Then the other is replying, maybe, I don't know. Then that afternoon, same afternoon, my mother said not to have any ice drink from the market. She gave one of her lecture this morning. You have to be responsible for your health, Shireen. And the other girl is saying, haha. So, Shireen's mother has told her not to eat any ice drinks from the market, okay? And she has given the lecture of being responsible and not eating or drinking from outside. Then suddenly, when they were going home, suddenly what happened? Stop! A police woman is making them stop. Can you see in the picture? Then in the next picture here it says, this road is blocked due to the rally. They had gherao the MLA's residence. So this lady police, she is telling those girls that this place is blocked. Why? Because there is a gherao. People have gathered there. Gherao means people have gathered there near the MLA's residence. Really? Why? Has he done something? So the girls are asking them, what happened? Why they are doing like this? MLA has done something. Ha ha. Police, this female police is saying, they seem more angry about what he hasn't done. So she's saying that they are angry because the MLA who was responsible and he has not done anything for these people. And we demand that the authorities take immediate action to bring the public health situation under control. Our MLA must take the responsibility for this. So now this man is speaking on the mic and he is saying that authorities should do something, okay, immediately, because public health situation is not in control. So it is the work of the MLA must take this responsibility and do something. What a loud voice he has. He must be a leader or something. One girl is saying, what a loud voice this man is having. Is he a leader or something? Then other girl is saying, shh, I saw him on TV too. He is a member of the opposition. So the other girl is explaining that she has seen this man in the TV and he is the member of the opposition party. So now here, who is an MLA? In the above section you have read about some evidence in Patalpuram. You may be familiar with some official names such as collector, medical officer, etc. But have you heard of an MLA and the Legislative Assembly? Do you know the MLA of your area? Can you identify which party she or he belongs to? So children, here one question is asked, who is an MLA? Okay, do you know who is the MLA of your area, children? Okay, and can you identify from which party the MLA is? So in the next class we will study about the MLA, who is the MLA, and your work is you have to find out, okay, you will find out who is the MLA of your area and from which party that MLA is. Okay children, so you find out for the next class.